Good morning, my dear students. In the previous video presentation, we have discussed about various types of sets and first three solutions of first problem of exercise 1.2 from 9th standard textbook of State Board. Now we'll continue with the remaining sums in the same exercise. The fourth solution, actually we are trying to find the number of elements in the given set. Okay, we call it as cardinal number. Okay, fourth solution of first sum on 1.2 tells you R equal to x is that x is an integer. X is an integer, and he means to say minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. How do you list out? I'll be able to list out the elements minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes only up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for number of elements, cardinal number here will be 10. You can check the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, or you can add and then write minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That also you can do quickly without even writing the answers, because you are needed to find only the number of elements there, which is called the cardinal number. Okay, then the fifth one, he says set of all leap years. Set of all leap years. Okay, set of all leap years. Okay, between 1882 and 1906. 1906, we call it a set, yes. Okay, now listen carefully. Actually, for a year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 4 as well as divisible by 400 also. If you think about 1882 divided by 4, 1882 divided by 4, I mean to say 4 4s are 16, then of course 7 4s are 28, gives you a remainder 2 anyway. Then therefore first year above 1882 divisible by, between this means anyway it shouldn't be included, but still I am telling you, looking at that you'll be able to find out the first year after 1882, which is a leap year. Then keep on adding 4, then 1892, then 1896. But 1900 shouldn't be there, because even though it is divisible by 4, it is not divisible by 400. Therefore 1900 is not a leap year. Whereas 2000 is a leap year. It is divisible by 4 as well as 400 also. And therefore here I mean to say, after which I should add only 1904. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For n of s, here will be 5. If anybody adds 1900, answer will be 6, which is wrong. I repeat the whole process. I am dividing 1882 by 4. 4 4s are 16 divided 2, 7 4s are 28. Then I will write 0 over here. Then 0 here again. Remainder will be 2. Remainder will be 2. Okay. 2 minus 0 is 2, remainder 2. After adding 2, I will get 1884 is the first year after 1882, which is a leap year. Therefore keep on adding 4 everywhere. Then 1892, 1896 plus 4 will give a 1900. 1900 is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 400. Therefore 1900 is not a leap year. Therefore 1904 is the leap year. 1, 2, 3. Between these two years it is given. Therefore there are 5 years under consideration. Therefore NFS is supposed to be 5 here. It is not 6. Remember carefully. Then identify the following sets as finite or infinite. I think I'll be able to list out simply. Okay, x is equal to, I'll be able to give you directly x equal to set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. It is anyway finite. It's a finite set. Then set of all straight lines passing through a given point. Okay, set of all straight lines. If we draw a point, and if I'll be having infinitely many points. Therefore set is infinite. Second one is infinite. Then of course he says x as that x element of z and x less than 5. Below 5 I'll be having infinitely many integers. See here, 4, 3, 2, 1, it goes up to minus infinity. Therefore, it's an infinite set. Then B is equal to fourth subdivision. X is that x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X element of n. Let me just solve this. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. I can split the middle term. 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Then x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now for x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now for x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now for x equal to 3 or 2. Of course both are natural numbers. Both are natural numbers. It is anyway finite. It is anyway finite. It is anyway finite. Okay, even it gives you which are not natural numbers, negative integers, such numbers are called negative integers. It will be an empty set, both are negative integers. Anyway, it is a finite set, which is a finite set. Then next subdivision tells you, next question tells you, third question, I'll just read out some. In some of the cases I need not write down, therefore second one I read out and I'll give you the answer quickly. Hope you are able to follow. For the third one, you are given two sets, okay, in each of the subdivision. You are supposed to check whether they are equal sets or equivalent sets. Okay, equal sets or equivalent sets. Identify the following sets as equivalent or equal. Equal means they have the same set of values. Equivalent means they have same cardinalities. Okay, just see here. Set of all vowels in the English alphabet. Set of all letters or all word vowel. Okay, let me just check. This is third or fourth. This is the third one. Okay, A is equal to set of all vowels. Vowels in English alphabet. Okay, English alphabet. Let it be A, E, I, O, U. You know very well. Then set of all letters of the word. Letters of the word vowel. Okay, what do you get? V, O, W, E, L. Here they are equivalent sets. Now n of A is equal to n of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are 5. Therefore they are equivalent sets. They are equivalent sets. They are not equal sets. They are equivalent sets. Okay. Anyway, you have to list and find out. You have to list and find out. Second one, you mean to say C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. D is equal to set of all x as z. X W, x element of W, 1 less than x less than 5 given. 1 less than x less than 5. That is my D. How many elements are there? 2, 3, 4. There are 3 elements. Okay. Here he means to say 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the following sets are equivalent, unequal or equal sets? They are unequal sets. You have to check whether unequal also. That is also given. Oh, sorry, I forgot to read out that also. Okay, I mean to say 2, 3, 4, 5. They are unequal sets. They are unequal. They are not equal as well as they are not equivalent. At the same time, they are unequal sets. There are only 3 elements, 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4, 5. They are unequal sets. Sets are unequal. This is my second subdivision. Okay, for the third subdivision, okay, he means to say x is the letter of the word live. X is the letter of the word live. L, I, F, E. All the letters will be there. Okay, nothing is repeated. Okay, y is equal to F, I, L, E. Y is equal to F, I, L, E. You get the same F, I, L, E. You have the same. Therefore, x and y are equal here. They are equal sets. They are equal sets automatically. Then fourth subdivision, set of all C is equal to C is simply 0. Okay, and set of all triangles having 4 sides. Of course, it is an empty set. Okay, you mean to say unequal sets. They are unequal sets. Okay, they are unequal sets. C is a singleton set, whereas D is an empty set. Set of all triangles. Triangles have only 3 sides. For a set of all triangles having 4 sides in empty set. Okay, therefore I mean to say, sorry, I read out from a different question. I'm sorry, I read out from a different question. This is wrong. This is wrong. Those are not the combinations. I'll just read out the correct question. Sorry, this is the third question. Okay, third one. G is x is a prime number and 3 less than x less than 23. X is a prime number, 3 less than x less than 23. I'll just read out and I'll just do once again. Okay, this is the fourth question. This is my fourth question of the third sum. Fourth question of the third sum. Just see here. Fourth question of the third sum. Fourth subdivision of the third sum. He says what is given. X is a prime number, 3 less than x less than 23. Okay, of course 5, 7, of course 11, 13, 17, 19. Only this much you have. Less than 23 given. X is a divisor of 18. H is equal to x is a divisor of 18. What are the divisors? 1, 2, 3, of course 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of G is equal to N of H is equal to 6. For they are equivalent sets. There will be a pair of equivalent sets. There will be a pair of equivalent sets. Let me repeat if you want. He says what is given. G is equal to x is a prime number, 3 less than x less than 23. 5, 6 is not there, 7, 8, 9 are not there, 10 are not there, 11, 12 is not there, 13, of course 14, 15 are not there, 14, 15, 16 are not there, 17, 18 is not there, 19, 20, 21, 22 are not prime numbers. Then factors of 18. 1, 2, 1 is a factor of every number. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 9, 3, 6, 6 3s, 9 2s, 18. 1, 2, 6. Now 4, both of them have same set of elements, same number of elements. Now 4, they are equivalent sets. They are equivalent sets. Is it clear to you? I think it is clear. For the fourth problem, let me do the fourth problem. Let me do the fourth problem. Just listen. What is the fourth problem? Let us see. What is your fourth problem? Identify the following sets as null set or singleton set. See here, 1 less than x less than 2. 1 less than x less than 2 and x is the natural number. It is a null set. 1 and 2 are consecutive natural numbers. It's an example of a null set. This is the answer for the first subdivision of fourth sum. Then secondly, the set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. Set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2, which is an empty set again. Okay, every even natural number will be definitely divisible by 2. Therefore, it's a null set. Okay, then third one, C is the set containing 0. It is a singleton set. It is a set containing one element. Therefore, it is a singleton set. Fourth subdivision, he says set of all triangles having 4 sides. It is an empty set. These are the things which I chose for a third sum by mistake. Okay, therefore 1 less than x less than 2, x is a natural number, is a null set. Okay, second one, set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. Every even natural number is divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2 is not possible. Empty set. Then set containing 0 is a singleton set, and set of all triangles having 4 sides. It's a null set anyway. It is a null set. Okay. Anyway, we'll continue in the rest of the things will continue in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching.